this video background right here is fake. Yes, you heard me right. And in this video, I will exactly show you step by step of how I transformed this basic background to a variety of different backgrounds that we will be seeing within this video. And make sure you stick around till the end, since I'll take you step by step. And also, before you jump straight into it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel, since it helps us a lot and helps to push these videos to as many people as possible. In this video, I used Capcut video editor. That's the only app or software that I used. So you can go ahead and download it on your computer or in your phone, and you should be able to follow along. That said, let's jump straight into it. So the first thing is to go ahead and make sure you have a plain background, preferably a wall, as you can see behind me. So we need this wall to be free of clutter. And as you can see in my background is a little bit cluttered. So I'll go ahead and clean it up, and then I'll be back. So the next step is lighting. So make sure you have even lighting. Make sure you position your light in such a way that you're even lit. So if you don't have any form of light, make sure you record during the day or very close to a window so that you get that even lighting. So once you have your lighting in place, so go ahead and grab a tripod and place your smartphone or your actual camera onto the tripod so that you have a stable video throughout the whole process. Make sure as you start recording, you avoid too much movement within the video, since this will help in getting better results as we remove the background of this video. So let's head over onto Capcut, and I'll show you how you can easily transform this background into something more professional. Welcome back. So once you're done recording your video, go ahead and open Capcut. So you could open the app itself. As you can see, this is the app, or you can go onto Google and then type in Capcut, and it's open right here. So depending on the one you prefer to use, I'll go ahead and open up the app right here. So once you're here, go ahead and click on new project right here. Click on new project, and once you click on new project, go ahead and click on AI generated right here on the left hand side. So click on AI generated. Once you click on AI generated, so I've already made some prompts with AI, and I have these backgrounds already generated. Remember, I want to create a studio background, so you can go ahead and come right here where you see this text, describe the sticker you want to generate. So go ahead and take that out, and then you describe the space that you want to generate or the background that you want to generate. So in this case, I will say YouTube studio with a cozy desk with a potted plant in the background, and RGB lights. So this is the prompt. So you can put in any prompt that you want for your background. So I'll go ahead and share with you the different prompts you can use. And once you're done, click on generate, and I give it a couple minutes, and there you go. So I have these 4 options right here. So I have these options. So if I like them, I can go ahead and click on any to preview it right here. So look at all those right there. I can say a YouTube background. and RGB lights. Click on generate. So there you go. So you can now, so you have these ones right here that we generated first. We have these 4, and then we have these ones right here. So you can click on that and click right there and see which one appeals to you. So I'll go ahead and choose this one right here. So I'll choose this one. So once you choose that, click on the plus icon right there and then click on it. So once you click on it, come right here and click on ratio, and make sure it is within this aspect ratio, which is 16:9, which is the YouTube aspect ratio. And you can go ahead and extend this background to fit that aspect ratio. So the aspect ratio is 16:9. So there you go. So that's the background. So I can go ahead and see it. So once I'm done, I can go ahead and go to effects and then click on video effects. Click right there, click on lens. So you can go ahead and add like blur. Choose blur right here, click on that, and then come right here, extend the blur. So once you're done, click on that blur. So I'll go ahead and move it to 5 right there. So right here, you can go ahead and extend this background. So I'll extend it to 1 minute, and then I extend this blur to fit the background right there. So once I'm done, I'll go ahead and select both of them and then right click, create compound clip. So once I'm done, I make sure this is at the end right here, and then click on local, import right here, and then select the video that you recorded. So this is the video right here. So click on the plus icon to add it onto the timeline, then left click and then drag it on top of the background, as you can see. So this is the video right here. So once you click on that video, make sure you're under video right there, and then come and click on cut out. So scroll down a little bit and then click on auto cut out so that we can remove this background right here. So as you can see, give it some time to remove the background. We can reduce this background to fit our video right there, and as you can see, so give it a few seconds. Auto cutout completed. So you can go ahead and see, this is our video. So you can go ahead and play it. If you'd like to kind of tweak it a little bit, let me say you're a little bit dark. As you can see right here, I'm a little bit dark and I would like to go ahead and brighten my face a little bit. You can select on that video, go to adjustment, so this is how you can easily transform your basic background to something more professional like this right here. And let me know what you think in the comment sections down below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next one.